What's up, guys? It's me. Welcome back to another sneaker review. I appreciate you stopping by and checking out this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything I'm putting out. I got a lot of fire sneakers coming up. Also, make sure you hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. It's real easy. Just hit that like button. Enough of me talking, guys. Let's go ahead and get into this shoe. The shoe we're looking at today is another Nike and Undefeated collaboration that came out last year in 2022. Part of those 4 different patent leather colorways. This one today is called Total Orange. So first, let's go ahead and take a look at the box. As you can see, this box is very similar. In fact, it is identical to the Topaz Gold box, which I also reviewed on this channel. You can take a look at the video right here. Click the link right here. But this box is identical. It's multicolor paneled. It's got the Nike swoosh on the top. It's got the Undefeated hash marks on the side. But it is identical to the box. All of these shoes, all these patent leather colorways that they came out with last year all come in this exact same box. I have all 4 of the colorways and all of the boxes are exactly the same. Here they are. Very nice looking shoe. I like this shoe. Let's go ahead and take an in-depth look. Starting on the outer sole, it is an icy outer sole. So it is icy, it's clear. Love that. Midsole is white. All white midsole. Nike, you got the air right there. Moving to the upper, you have this light blue around the toe box. And pink on the actual toe box. Side panel right here is red. And here's where the name comes from, the Total Orange. It's this orange Nike swoosh. All the shoes are named after the color of the swoosh that's on the actual shoe. So we looked at the Topaz Gold. It was a gold swoosh. This one's got the orange swoosh right there. You have the maroon panel here with the Undefeated hash marks, you can see. Moving around to the back, we have a black here with the Nike Air, same as the Topaz Gold. Moving to the laces, we do have an orange Dubray and white laces with the yellow tongue and the orange Undefeated hash mark. Inside, you got the orange hash mark in there. Also, these shoes do come with another pair of laces right here. They are orange laces with the black Dubray right there. Overall, guys, I really like this shoe. You guys, you know me, you know I like the crazy colors. I like the loud colors. This, again, right up my alley. Give you a quick 360. And then I will get you guys out to the arcade. And we will take a quick on foot. All right, let's head out there. Alright folks, that just about wraps it up for me. What do you guys think? Is this something you would ever wear? Do you guys like this? Do you guys like the patent leather? Do you guys like the crazy colors? I don't know. Tell me what you think down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, go ahead and hit that like button. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. But guys, anyways, thanks for sticking around. And until next time, deuces!
Yeah. Ain't them put up in the cell life. That's when it started to drop. All of my rivals done fell off. Fitting, I'm taking them out. Bitch, they ain't no one to tell. City done ratted us out. Guess who at living they rap?